So today we're going to show you a single leg deadlift. Similar to the regular deadlifts, but this time one leg is kicking back and floating in the air. So there, but as you start about that, think about the core. So take a huge breath, exhale, keep those ribs neutral, good. And then you're hinging at the hips and bending forwards. So bend at the knee, forwards, good. Pause for a second, and then what you're trying to do is have this parallel to the ground. Come back up, drive through the heel, excellent. Exhale, keep it out, try to kick this leg out to the side towards me. Good, keeps the ribs down, fold, 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 fold. Hinge this way slightly, good, and then come back up. Excellent, yeah. Good, bring this down, and then bring this leg all the way straight again. Yeah, good. Again, kicking back and out towards me, and then come back, good. So typically most people have a muscle imbalance. Let's try the other leg. There, and then kick the leg out, keep the ribs down, good. And so this one does have a muscle imbalance. You can see she's trying to arch at the back a little bit. So try it again, good, and then back up, wicked. You can bring that leg forwards each time. Yeah, yeah, good. Keep this, good. Again, perfect, good. Rest it for a sec. Here, I'll show you these two. So it is really good. There's just a huge muscle imbalance. So what you're going to do is on one leg, you're just standing, keeping the ribs, bending at the knee, keeping the ribs on top of the hips, coming back. So there's neutral spine, coming back, kicking. My arms are just dangling. They're pretending to be dead. If you need a reset every time, you can try the other side. I have slight muscle imbalance, so it's way harder. So that's a single leg dumbbell deadlift.